Good morning, welcome to Physics World. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter floating bodies. See here two conditions are there. Not conditions, it is two cases. Some objects are floats on the water. Some objects are sinks in the water. But compare the size of the objects. The case 2, the very small objects sinks in the water. Example, if you take one small stone and throw it to the water, the stone directly sinks in the water. But here, the size of the ship is very big size. But the ship is traveling from one place to another place, it's floating. What is the reason main? That is main reason is only for density. Because of the density, some floats on the water, some objects are sinks in the water. What is the density? Density is equals mass by volume. Okay, so why objects are floats and why the objects are sinks? For example, here I am taking one wooden block. This is the one wooden block. Wooden block. By using of the measuring machine and measuring the wooden block, we get the mass of the wooden block is 20 grams. 20 grams. And take some dimensions like length, height, breadth. Length, for example, here 3 centimeters and here 1 centimeter. Now I need the height of one more dimension. Now that is the height. So taking that height is equal to 2 centimeters. This is the all dimensions of the block. Now I am taking this block and I am throwing into the water. These block sinks in the water or floats on the water. We don't know. But we know what is the mass of the block, 20 grams. But we don't know what is the value of the block. First we want to find the value. Then you can take the value formula is equals to length into breadth into height. So take the all dimensions in this formula. This is equals length, what is that? 3 centimeters into 1 centimeter into 2 centimeter. You can calculate into 1, 3, change to 6. 6 centimeter cube. 1, 2, 3 centimeter cube. So this is the value. You can take the density formula. What is the density formula? D is equals to mass by volume. See, what is the mass of the block? 20 grams. 20 grams. And take the 20 grams. But what is the volume of the block? Volume of the block is 6 centimeter cube. This is the value. But water have density. What is the density of the water? Water density is constant 1 gram per centimeter cube. Or the density of the water, SI unit is kg per meter cube. This is the SI unit. The constant value of water density is only 1. Yes. Then we get the good mass and value. You can divide 6 ones are, 6 threes are, point again 3. So we get approximately the density of the block is 3.3 gram per centimeter cube. Now my question is, the wooden block sinks in the water or floats on the water? Just I am throwing to the water. The wooden block is sinks in the water. Reason, water density is 1, but the wooden block density is 3.3. So wooden block density is more compared to the water density. Which object has in the water? Less density of objects, it floats on the water. For example, one small ice cube and I am taking the one oil like petrol, oil, anything. These density is 0.93 approximately, not exactly. So when I pour the oil in that, the oil is floats on the water because the density is less 0.9 like this. So which object having the more density is sinks in the water, which object having the less density floats on the water compared with the density of the water. This is a small concept about the introduction topic about the floating of bodies. Next class we will discuss about relative density of objects. Thank you.